Good morning all. Today we are going to discuss with the subject of optimization techniques. So in this optimization techniques, the today's session is how to represent the network diagram. So we have to construct the network diagram from the given data. So consider this is the given data. So initially the activity of the event will be given. So consider these are all the some activities given in a example, and this is called as the predecessor of the activity. Okay, so activity is one kind of data and another one data is the predecessor of the given activities. Okay, so now we can construct from the given data we will see how to construct the network diagram. Okay, so consider the first activity of the given example is A, and next B, C, D, E, F, G. So totally we have a 4, 5, 6 and 7 activity in this example. Okay, so first consider the activity A is checked with your predecessor of the activity, but in this example there is nil of activity A, which is the meaning of activity A is not having the predecessor. Okay, so next we have a activity B. In this activity B we have a predecessor A, so we can come to the point of the activity B is consist of one predecessor node, so that node is called as a A. Okay, so now we can draw the examples. From node 1 to 2 we have a activity A. Okay, because there is no first activity in this example, the first activity is A. So previous of A there is no activity, so we can start with node just 1 to 2 we have a activity A. Okay, and next from the activity A to B we have again one more edge. Okay, so consider the predecessor is A, and from this A node we have a activity of B. So I can again mark one more node which is called as the state 3, and this is considered to be a activity B. Okay, and come to the next activity with its predecessor. So we have a predecessor B, and it can create the activity C and the activity D. So in this point you should consider we have a two activity of the your node B. So I have an activity of node 3 to 4 and 3 to 5. So consider first 3 to 5 B to again activity. The predecessor C of predecessor is B, and again the predecessor of D is B. So we can have an idea of C is first node and D is the second node. Okay, so and again next we have a node with C. C is a predecessor of activity E. So I can here I can mention the activity E. So in this activity I can mark, so you can mention the state here. So 6, it is a state 6, the activity or event is E. So C to E is E. And next you have one more, D is the predecessor of node F. So I can mark again next node of 7. So in this activity is saying it is a F. Okay, and this connection of E and F is considered here. The predecessor of E and F are again derives with the node G. So I can have the point of node 6 and again node 7. So these two are connected with the next node, which is node 8. So this node is called as a G, which is your final state. Okay, so this is for how to draw the network diagram from the given activity example. So in this we have a E, F are the two predecessor of node G. So we have connected with the two nodes with G. Okay, so now started with the A, B and C, D, again E, F and finally it is connected with the node G. Okay, so this is an example of how to construct the network diagram in a optimization technique. Thank you.